Hi everyone, I'm here with the lovely Mirabai Devi. She is back in the New England area for the summer, and we are about to kick off summer programming activities with her at Rooster Wing. She's all over New England, but she's gracing us with her presence for a couple of programs that we have coming up shortly in June, and she's going to be doing private sessions here. This video is an invitation from Mirabai to join us for these events. We've got the first event that we have is coming up on June 14th, which is a Friday night. Do you want to tell them a little bit? You can tell them better about the event than I can.
Yeah, it's Friday, June 14th from 7 to 10 p.m. And it's basically a divine light transmission and a guided meditation and also a spiritual teaching. And then I'm inviting that amazing kirtan band, my dear friends Shakti and Tamal, who perform kirtan in Cambridge, the Khichdi Kirtan people. And they're going to come and do a kirtan following my program. So we'll have that event hosting them as well. And it's going to be like really devotional, blissful, ecstatic. There'll be deep healing. I'll be doing some deep healing work for those of you that need deep healing work. And it'll also be kind of inspirational, revelatory with the spiritual teachings and the meditation. And then the kirtan is always super devotional, sweet and deep.
So if you want to experience healing, divine light, light transmission, and chant, doing these events with music, which we've done many times with Mirabai in the past, is always so powerful to have live music. And I find sometimes that people often, like, what is it? They need to know exactly what it is. If you feel called to be here, come. That's the best that I could say, rather than worrying about, what exactly is going to happen. It's all lovely and beautiful and wonderful, and we'd very much like to have you come to that event. The second thing also is that Mirabai is going to be here and available for private sessions in June and July while you're here. And I've done private sessions with Mirabai a number of times, and it's a really good chance to get direct one-on-one work where Mirabai is 100% focused on you and your needs. And so we want to tell folks how it's a little bit different from light transmission or being with you in a group session.
Yes, it's very different. And actually, this is a personal invitation to a private session. A private session is so different than a group event because it involves a deep dive into energy work, into Akashic record reading, soul reading, karma clearing, timeline jumping, working with landing spaces of consciousness, of light, doing intuitive readings, mediumship work. There's a lot of time and space to do all that energy and light work. And so it's a very in-depth look at you, your life, your past lives, the karmic causes and so forth. And sessions usually run in a 1 hour increment, but you can also get a 45-minute session or an hour and a half session. And those will be held here at Roots to Wings, all of June and July.
Awesome. So you can sign up with Roots to Wings in the links below for this video. Mirabai is also on June 29th going to be here for a very intimate event. It's limited to 8 people. And we wanted to create an event with Mirabai where people could get a little bit more individualized attention than you can in a group session. The group session is this big energy and divine energy all around for all of us, and we all bathe in that energy. An intimate group session is a little more concentrated dose of similar things, but do you want to talk to them a little bit about what you envision for that event on the 29th?
Yes. The difference with the intuitive reading group for 8 people is that we actually go in for each person individually and do an intuitive reading. So we're looking into your chakras, we're looking into your meridians, we're looking into your organs, we're looking into your past lives, we're looking at your Akashic records, we're looking at where you need healing or where you need light, and we're working with more energy work and light work like a private session, but in a small group setting, so it's slightly less in terms of financial budget, but because it's in a small group, but it's not as diluted as the large group, in the sense that with the large group, it's just light transmission, which is very powerful and blissful, but we're not doing a deep dive into you individually. This June 14th workshop, although the June 14th workshop is different in the sense that you will feel that bliss, and you will feel the higher consciousness and some healing happening. But the other one, the small intuitive reading, is actually like a private session, but more concentrated, shorter period of time in an intimate group setting.
So we're really excited to be able to offer that event here with Mirabai, and as I said, there's only 8 spots for that, and so sign up quick, because if you don't, I'm going to take one of the spots.
It's going to sell out quickly.
It's going to sell out really quickly, but maybe we can give her a nudge, and maybe she can do one in the future after July, but when she's back around. So we hope to see you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.